Hey everybody, welcome back. It's pea planting time, and I've set up some trellises from, actually these are pollarded hazelnuts. So what I did in the fall was that it was in the fall. I cut the hazelnut tree, the bush actually, cut the top right off, and then in the spring it grew back some really strong shoots. And the interesting thing about coppice and Pollard is that the size of the regrowth is really kind of consistent. So you can look at this one, this one, this one. They're all roughly the same size, and it does look a little bit messy, but the reason I did this is because the pea plants that I put down here at the bottom underneath the wood chip mulch, they're going to get about, well, it says 8 feet, assuming everything goes right. So some of these are definitely taller than 8 feet. Like that one's probably like maybe 10. So we'll see. And the other cool thing about coppice and Pollard is that we can just keep doing this every year. So just in the fall, just chop it again, and now I've got a whole bunch of poles that I can use in the garden. So yeah, this is how things are going. My fava beans actually managed to overwinter, even after the crazy Canadian Arctic blast that came through. They look pretty good. Some of them have a little bit of dieback, like this one, and that one back there died a little bit. But it does seem like they're growing back from the base. This one took some damage, and they're just about ready to flower. So yeah, spring is here, just about. Hopefully I'll update everybody in a week or so when the peas are up and things are looking good.